my god, that's crazy. Sorry guys, I gotta go. Dude, what are you doing? I'm going in.
Another day. Okay, I got it. It's what are you looking at? I'm a YouTube. Make your video. You're a YouTube. Yeah, everyone's trying to hurricane. I record big events. Yes, it's a hurricane. You know what that is? Hashtag Cape Town's weather. That's what
Get the heavenly rain.
It's just named Jared White.
Get God's brownie.
Out in this bag.
Get God's brownie.
Once a balloon broke into my house. Once a balloon broke into my house. Yeah, I videoed it, but they're far away. It's just like brown blurs. I know now.
Madness, stop taking a picture of Cape Town's weather.
I know the weather. Oh wow, that's a lot of rain. That's a lot of rain.
My camera is like wet. Yeah, I was like,
A tree didn't fall.
A tree fell.
A tree fell.
Wait, a tree fell where? Oh my god, a tree fell.
Shut up.
oh my god, shut up.
You shut up.
I can't believe you believe that. You believe that. I said a tree.
No, actually I saw it. There was a tree.
Oh my god. Tree did fall.
No, a tree did fall. There was a small one.
No, a tree did fall.
Oh wow, it did fall. Oh my god.
Excuse me.
Oh, a tree did. Dude, a tree did.
Excuse me.
Calm down.
I'm actually gonna stand in the rain so I get sick and then don't leave.
Oh yeah.
No, I can't because I have my iPad out.
Dude, I am going in.
I'm getting sick. You want to?
Let's go back. Josh, we can't do Josh, we must go. Where is she? How far? You're not getting wet today. I'm going.
Bye guys, keep out the way.
How they're twirling and stuff. That means there might be. Oh no! If they're twirling, that. Oh, there could be a tornado. The leaves were twirling like around and around in the air. I hope there's not. Oh, geez, look at that. Edia! She's all the way at the back. Edia!
Dude, where's our parents? I'm
What? I have no. I will not.
I said we're all. Where's she?
Savvy. She's at the back.
Oh my god. No. I have to run all the way there. Okay.
The running is real, guys.
No one's at the head.
Bye.
You're done.
Oh,
I'm not gonna.
What?
Man, I have to run over
We
there.
tried to find Chloe.
Yeah.
We tried to find Where's Chloe? What did you say?
Just ask.
I jumped it! Sabrina, where's Chloe? Where's Chloe? I don't know. She just ran away. I'm pretty sure she went with her mom. Okay. I'm gonna make a run. Bye! Oh, let me get a shot! You can't see it because it's very pixelated right now, but there's raindrops everywhere. There's actually a tree falling over down there. And another one, a small tree fell down right there.
Where is she?
See the flags? And what happened is there could actually be a tornado anytime because the leaves were twirling. I really don't know what to expect now. I may end up dying, so subscribe to my channel and make sure I don't die. As that guy, make a YouTube video.
Are you taking a picture of the rain?
Nope.
Why? He's making a YouTube video.
I'm a YouTuber. I have a channel.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What is it?
Chad Bifus.
Okay. I'll search you up. I'll subscribe, okay?
Okay, thanks.
Me too. Yeah, we'll tell people to subscribe to you.
Okay. I know. From here, it actually doesn't look bad since it's too pixelated to see the rain.
Because I really want to go. Alright. You need a squat pig. Yeah.
So right now I'm in South Africa. In South Africa, it is very, very bad in the winters. It's raining a lot.
He just left.
You can see by this.
He just drove away. Yeah, like he was.
I'm right now being pushed around. People are getting out of the way. And I think it's going to keep on raging on. The storm's going to keep on raging on at night. But I think most of the excitement has ended. Well, guys, thanks for watching, and just subscribe, please. And hope I don't die next time something happens. Bye.